Hey there, hope you're doing well. Today, I've got something special. I'll show you how to open any password-protected RAR file without knowing the password. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon for more content. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, I've copied a document onto my desktop for demonstration. Let's set a password for this file. Right-click on it, select Add to Archive, choose a set password, and let's set a complicated password. Once set, save it. Great! Now we've got a RAR file successfully password protected. Let's try to extract it. It's asking for the password, and if I try a wrong password, it won't allow extraction. But fear not, we can easily recover it. Open any browser and search for PassFab RAR Recovery Download. Visit the PassFab website and download the software. Once downloaded, install it. Upon opening PassFab, you'll find different methods to try. Let's start with the dictionary attack. Add the file and let the software do its magic. It might take some time, so be patient. Once the software finds the password, copy it. Now, try to open the RAR file using the recovered password. Voila! We've successfully found the password using the PassFab software. If you don't find the password in the first attempt, try other methods available in the software. It's as simple as adding the file and hitting Start. That's how we crack the password using PassFab. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon. Catch you in the next exciting video. Bye for now.